bicycle tires.
So Larry, why don't you tell us a little bit about your car?
It called me on the phone after I saw a picture of it on a wall, and I didn't even remember why I talked to the guy. He had it pushed outside because his boat was in another guy's garage and he had to move it. But I'm the third owner, and this is house painted
Nice.
painted in 1956. And
And it came from Oregon?
originally, yeah, it's like I said, I'm the third owner, so it's a lot of fun.
That's great.
When I got it, except for this part painted brass, everything else was painted black. They brushed everything black for some reason, all the chrome. So I started cleaning it and I found all the chrome. Like these pieces here were painted black. Can you
Wow.
imagine that? That's not a factory item, that's a dealer item. They added them on later. So.
Yeah,
But,
that's great. You got any adventure stories? Good or bad?
Yeah, the radiator kept popping off the cap. Find out I didn't know how to turn it back down. You're supposed to retard it to start it and then pull it back down. But I have fun with everybody. Goes, well, why don't you have your car painted like the rest of them? I said, you wouldn't have seen my car. Yeah.
Very true.
So, but yeah, the guy that the first owner, he had rewired everything, so it's not able to take stuff off. I found another shell, but it's not. But it's got the original engine in it. As far as I know, the car's never been apart.
Wow.
It was worked on in 1956 by the original owner. The second owner just brought it here, drove it in one parade, and then sold it. But he sold to me because I didn't want to make a hot rod.
Very
Well,
nice.
it's already a hot rod. It's got different headlights and turn signals. So
Well, I love that you kept it original. It's beautiful.
it's got the original seat covers under here. I'm gonna get I haven't found anybody to take it off, but I got the door panels. And the Richard Petty blue, I have no idea what all that was about. But it's there and it'll stay.
Yeah, how does an A work when you start it? Does this one you have
Well,
to
actually,
do?
it's modern. It's got a push button start.
Push button start?
You have to turn on the gas underneath, push the choke rod up, turn the key, push the button, and pull the choke out. This is the choke here.
Gotcha.
And when it starts catching, you push it, let the choke fall in. It's on a spring, and then you idle it back down with the retard, and then that lever on this side is actually a gas pedal.
Gotcha. This side of the column right here?
Yeah. Let me go there. Watch the pedal, the round ring there,
Yeah.
the one that's worn. It's throttled. It's got
gotcha.
cruise control in 1929.
Very nice.
And then everybody thinks this is the push button. That's a dash light, so you can see the speedometer.
Gotcha.
And the gas gauge, of course, is this tank up here, and that's what that is. It's a float, cork float.
Wow. And why does it have two sticks?
Handbrake, stick shift.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, 3-speed on the floor, no synchronizers.
Gotcha.
I got a half a battery, good.
Did all the A's only have two pedals? Didn't T's have 3 pedals on the floor?
Yeah, well, it didn't have a shifter.
Gotcha.
It didn't have a gas pedal. They had 3 pedals the floor. You had to pull this lever up and down to,
Yeah.
to throttle it up and down. And the handbrake was right here on this side. So in the 28 Model A's, if you find one over here that's original, the handbrake was here, and they had to move it because you couldn't get it out of the car. Because the
Gotcha.
T's only had 3 doors. If it was a 4-door,
Yeah.
or a road, most of them are like this car.
Yeah.
And you know, this is the light switch, which is not hooked up, and figures it won't work. I was messing with it this morning, so. And then, of course, your windshield is your air conditioning.
Yep. And original floorboards and everything, you think?
Yeah, they're blistered underneath. They had them painted. They have a rubber mat, but the rubber mat rotted, so it was falling apart.
Yeah.
And the car's 90 next month.
Woo.
It'll be 90 years old.
Wow.
So, but it's a lot of fun. We do all the parades for local area and everything.
Yeah.
You see, the vinyl was added. This is not supposed to be in here, but the door pockets are supposed to be here, not up here on the side, little pockets. So they added it.
Gotcha. And how long?
Eventually, I'm going to get it back like it was.
Yeah.
Try.
How long you been in this club?
just over 4 years, but I've had the car on the road 4 years.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I signed up before I had my car. I had a Speedster.
Yeah?
Yeah, trying to build it. And the guy in the club that I saw the picture of the car, he said, get a whole car. Don't mess with this. It's all junk. I showed him the cowling. He said, throw it away, throw it away. And he was friends with the guy that owned this one, but he wasn't a member of our club.
Yeah.
So I lucked out.
Wow. It's a beautiful car, Larry. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, this is an all Model A car show, so let's take a look around.